Minco Group is a forward-thinking, world-class provider of start-to-finish expertise in plastic processing. Specializing in complex tooling and injection molding, we offer the complete management of your plastic project by implementing expert tooling and mold making through Minco Tool and Mold, and quality injection molding, assembly, and secondary services through All Service Plastic Molding, also known as ASPM. Our team takes pride in forming long-lasting relationships. That's why we commit ourselves to honoring expectations and delivering the best product for your project. With a convenient Midwest location, we offer expert service to multiple markets with specialization in automotive, including lighting, interior, exterior, and underhood applications. We also serve complex cosmetic markets, such as consumer products and appliances. Quality expertise and accelerated delivery times is what you can expect with Minco Tool and Mold, a family-owned and operated company since 1954. Our well-trained 24-hour operation provides complete project management support for all levels of your program. This includes detailed product design, optimized performance, and successful transition to ASPM or the molder of your choice. Located in an impressive 202,000 square foot facility, ASPM is a state-of-the-art operation with the latest technology in horizontal and vertical injection molding. Our capabilities span from automation systems to two-shot molding and multiple secondary services. To match our extensive array of equipment, we deliver high-level engineering and quality systems that meet the specifications for your complex parts. ASPM is also proud to be the first injection molder certified under the Plastics Industry Association Zero Net Waste program that includes implementing innovations in waste reduction and sustainability practices. With Minco Group, you receive the longevity and quality craftsmanship of an established company who embodies an innovative mindset and commitment to reinvesting in the latest technology and equipment.